Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another dining set, teak wood, light walnut finish, and it's an 8-seater. When we talk about 8-seater dining set, the standard size is 8 feet by 4 feet table top size. So a table would cover 8 feet by 4 feet of area. That's the standard size. 7 feet also works in an 8-seater, but this one has got a little bigger chair than the regular one. So 8 feet is a good size. It has got 2 master chairs and 6 regular chairs. Master chair is the one with the handles. So the chair with the handles is called the master chair on both sides, also called king and queen chair, because generally the elders of the family sits on either side. That's why the concept has been derived like the master thing, and rest chairs are without handles, as you can see here. It's a nice big back chair and wide seating area. The back height is 42 inches and the area is 21 by 21. The total chair would cover 2 feet of area when it is placed. So nice big spacious chair. Generally the dining chairs that you get are around 18 inches, but this has got nice space. And the work, you can see all the curves and the design in the middle and the walnut shade as required by the client. This one is going to UK along with a lot of other stuff that we are sending. This is another one item. Just like the front part you see, from the back also you can see it is giving a nice look with a light carving at the back on the panel here, thus giving the overall 360-degree look to the entire unit. When we talk about a dining, there are a few things that we need to talk about. First, the top part. The top can be either for a glass, a marble, granite, onyx. All these things are used on dining top. Or it can be a carved top also. Let's talk about the one you're looking at right now. This is a hard top, so you can use it as is. You can place the table mats and you can use it like this. Or you can place a glass over this and this works fine. Glass, marble, granite, onyx, all these things we don't provide because they are fragile and transportation is an issue. And these things can be arranged locally also. So a local person can cut this size of glass and place on it. If you are looking for something like a marble or an onyx to be placed on this or a granite, then we can also provide you an open top. So it would have sides, the middle area would be open, and you can simply place the marble or granite or an onyx on top of it. Third option is the carving on top. If you're looking for something beautiful on the top as well, we can provide you a carved top with a design on top as well. But for that, you definitely need a glass because carving would make the top surface uneven. So it's difficult to put the cups and glasses on the table. So once you place the glass on it, it works fine. Now the design of the table, this is a 2-pillar table. It has got 2 pillars underneath, on top of which the top of the table is resting. It has got grooves underneath, so it goes in the grooves and we have to tighten a few bolts, and finally the table is assembled. That's the only assembly in this unit. It's not very difficult. You can do it locally, you can do it with your house help, or if you get a carpenter, nothing like it. But it's quite easy, so there's no difficulty in this. Now talking about the sizes, as I mentioned, it's 8 by 4 feet. How much space would you require to place a set like this? When you are designing your home, you're getting the drawings from the architect. They generally mark an area that this area is for the dining. Now to design, now to understand how the sizes work, let me show you here. So master chair, as you can see here on this side, is not going inside the unit because the handles goes higher. So that's why it rests outside the unit all the time. So now if we talk about, if we are not using it completely and we are matching it along with the table, so 8 feet, 2 feet and 2 feet, 12 feet area you require when you are not using it. At the time you use it, you got to pull it a few inches back for the legs. So around 13 feet of area is required, 13 for for this kind of unit to be placed, so someone can easily use the unit. Now, in this case, if you have a wall that side, the movement space would not be there from that side. So if you want space to move on all sides, you require at least 15 feet of area for easy movement and easy usage this way. Now about this side. Here, as you can see, the unit, the chair is going right inside the table here. So this side, when you're not using it, you require 4 feet and a few inches extra on both sides. So let's say 5 feet. Total 5 feet area required when you're not using it. At the time of usage, 4 feet plus 4 feet and 1 feet extra, around 9 feet of area is required this way. So 13 by 9 feet of area is required for easy usage of this table in an 8 feet. So that way you can easily measure in your drawing, or you can check how the unit is placed, how the unit has to be placed, or you want a little shorter if there is a space constraint or a different design of table. The colors, the fabrics, and the top part is your choice. So basically there are few things: the top part, the sizes, the color of the fabric, the color of the unit, and the design overall that you have to select. You let us know what you like. There are a lot of designs on our website. You go to our website, arsonwoods.com. There is a section for dining. You go in there, you'll find a lot of real actual designs, not the software catalog pictures. There you can select what you like and we will make it as per your requirement. This one is going to UK. Anywhere in India you want, outside India you want, we can deliver there. You can contact us, we'll let you know the pricing, and you can select what you want. This is handmade, this is art of arson. Hope you like this. If you have any questions for the pricing, for the design, or any other question you have, or any comment suggestions you have, please let us know. We'll be happy to answer your queries. The number is there in the video. The contact details are below. Hope you like it. Thank you.